G'day guys, welcome back to a new episode. Today I'm out off the bit further south of Sydney here, going to go try and target some snapper. We punched down the coast early, it's only about 7 o'clock in the morning now, and we're going to go try and sound up some ground now. Haven't fished here before, so we're going to go have a look. See some bird action off in the distance, but I'm not worried about that right now. Alright, we're going to head out to about 50 metres of water and try and sound some ground, and we'll see you out there. Alright, so we're just setting up now. I'll run you through what we're using. We're just running these Black Magic snapper rigs. Now they're pretty good. Yeah, they're made in New Zealand, hand rigged and everything. Just using 5-0s, but they are the gun rigs for snapper. Absolutely good, beautiful. We're using striped tuna for bait, I think, and maybe some pilchards. I've just got a bit of slow belly trial that now. I want to see how this spot goes because I think we've come off into sand, but I'm hoping that we haven't. We're going to start burleying. I'll get these rigged up and we'll drop down. We'll see how we go. All right, we're on the first fish of the day. Not really sure what it is yet. Here it comes. Hoping it's not a flathead. What have we got? Oh. All right, so that means we're on reef, which is a good thing, not sand. But that's just some little shit fish, so we'll get rid of that. Oh geez, water coming over the bow. It's pretty rough out here, as you can probably see. So we're just fishing baits on the bottom. We'll see how we go. We'll keep going. Oh yeah. Oh, really? We're getting heaps of bites now. I'm getting heaps still. Trying to hook up here, but my pop's on again. Let's see how he's going. I'm getting snapper bites, I can feel them. What do we got? See silver? Flathead, is it? No, it's snapper. Oh no, wrasse. Ah, it's all that red. Oh, the snapper. You're kidding. Now, I wasn't filming, but I just got a massive bite, hooked a big fish, and unfortunately he spat the hook. So I've lost my bait now. Gonna rebait up, get it straight back down. On the good fish! This is a good snapper. Let's head straight. Oh! 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 Come on, let's go. Let's go! It's got good on it. Come on. Oh! Take it easy, Jack. Take it easy. Get into the night. Oh, he's fine dirty. Oh, he's fighting dirty. Oh shit. Oh. Oh, right. Oh no. There he is. Oh, it's a fucking shark. Get in the net.
You want him in the net?
Yeah, get in. Go net him. Hold him there, I got him.
Got him?
Yep. Okay, I got it there. Yeah, right, look what we got here. Hey, that's a gummy shark. It's a gummy shark. It's called a gummy shark. That's my first ever gummy shark. No, like it's a gummy shark, like the ones from Fish and Chip Shop. Yeah, right. Look what we got. Is it? I think it is.
Yeah, it's a gummy.
Yahoo! We got some sticky beaks over here, but I just caught my first gummy. That is sick. Not as good as a snapper, but I'm pretty happy about that. I've never caught one of these bad boys before. Oh, it's so wrapped up, look at that. Do you have teeth? Oh my god. He's like that. Okay, so it's gone a bit nuts, but that's my first ever gummy shark. It's going a bit nuts, but how cool is that? I've never ever caught one of these in my life. He's so cool. Oh, he's just... So I think we'll keep him and maybe do a gummy shark catch and cook. But yeah, that is awesome. Get a good shot of him in the sun. He's going absolutely ballistic. Fuck, that's so cool. I'm so happy about that. First ever gummy. Woo! On to another good fish. Oh, Oh,
That's already a good one, mate.
oh, oh, come on, let's go. Oh,
Not a red.
you reckon? Head shakes. Could be actually. Here it comes. What do we got? Another shark, I think. Yeah. A good one. Oh, it's a good one. Get it.
Hang on. Oh, wow.
That's not. No.
Gummy.
Oh fuck! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Down.
He's... Look, have you got him?
Yeah. Twist it up and fuck that.
I got him. Look out! Yeah.
Caught up round the boat.
Yeah, move. I got him. You caught on.
On the boat.
Yeah.
The back of the...
Yeah, I can see it. Here, look out. You're in the way. Oh, get in. Oh, on the road, you're on the road, you're on the road. Oh, wasn't that a shit fight? Oh, Jesus Christ.
Hey.
We've landed him. Now, that is a good gummy. Oh. Alright, Mr. Harry Offshore Adventures, I know you're jealous. I've just caught two. You've never caught one. He's going nuts. Alright, let's settle down. Jesus Christ. Look at that tail. Oh, good fish. Oh, he's rolling up. Alright. Oh, that was a bit of a shit fight. He went absolutely nuts when we got him in the boat. But look at that. Gummy shark. That's two now. This one is massive. This one's over a metre. Absolutely frothing on that. That was my biggest ever gummy shark and my second ever. Both caught my first two gummy sharks today. I'm absolutely cheering. He's absolutely so cool. So what we'll do, I'll bleed him, get him in the esky, put him out of his misery, and I think we'll move spots and get away from these guys and go try and get some snapper. But yeah, whoa. Woohoo! Can I hold it there? Gummy shark. Woohoo! Alright, cool.
Deadly, eh?
Alright, so what we're doing now, we were about to pull the pin on this spot when I caught that first gummy. So we stayed and we caught that one, caught another one. And when we're about to pull the pin again. So now we're actually pulling the pin. We're gonna move, we're gonna go target some snapper. We're gonna head it a bit closer maybe, I don't know, we'll see what we can mark on the sounder. And hopefully get into some snapper ground and get a few reds on the boat. But yeah, so engine's on now. I'm gonna go pull up the anchor in out of 40 meters of water, which is gonna suck. But yeah. Okay, so we've just pulled up at the new spot. Still a bit of breeze up, but we're gonna drop the baits down and hopefully we get something good. Throw a bit of burley out. But yeah, it's very rocky. I'll show you on the sounder. Good reefy section. Real good. So hopefully this holds some stuff. There's a gravelly patch to the left of us as well. So apparently snapper like that, so hopefully we can get onto a good one. But yeah, I'll get the baits now, we'll see how we go. Alright, I'm onto a fish here. Change in the red. I really got this through snapper. Oh, what do we got? Oh, it's a red. It's a red. Oh, fuck yeah. Yeah. Woohoo.
Excellent.
Oh no. Oh, my first ever big fish. Look at that. Let me get some. Alright, that's my first ever pig fish. Now, oh, you're getting bites. They're excellent eating, these fish. So he's definitely coming home. But I think we might stay here for a bit longer now. We're about to pull the pin.
Nothing's happening.
Yeah. So we're going to keep him, put him in the esky. And yeah, I'll show you, I'll give you a better look at him in just a second. I'll get this hook out. You see why they call him a pigfish? Look at that snout on him. He's beautiful. Yeah, I'll put him out of his misery, get him in the esky, and yeah, we'll keep fishing. Alright, so we've just spent the last hour trying to get the anchor off the bottom, but I think it's time to donate it to the reef. That sucks. Not too devastated over it, but I did find that anchor not long ago. I think it's like my third time ever using it. Found it on a dive, so yeah. Not like I paid for it, but still it was a real good anchor, and it sucks losing it. But anyways, at the end of the day, I've got a spare, so we can keep fishing. On to a fish. Don't know what. On. You're fucking kidding me. Definitely wanted to see red, not brown. That is the last fish I wanted to see just then. Dirty old flathead. We've moved into 48 metres of water. We're drifting now. Got the sand anchor out. And it's reef as well, which is weird. I've just caught a flathead, but that's pretty disappointing. I thought I had a little snapper there. For you, Rex. Get the dog. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. We're on. Oh, we're on. You're not really spotted. Oh, I can't wait. It's actually a pretty good flooding. Alright, good sized flathead here. Blue spot flathead actually. So I'll get him in the esky with the rest of the fish. And now he can just add to the catch. Beautiful fish. Ew. How big is he? So we're pulling the pin on the fisher now. I mean, we're going to go in close. I'm going to hop in and try and get some lobsters at my secret lobster spot down here. And yeah, hopefully we'll get a couple, but I'll see you guys in the water when I'm suited up. So right now I'm about to suit up, hop in the water, try and get some crays. The water is so clear. Give you a look, there's a big bull ray down there. I don't know if you can see him, just there. Big bull ray. We'll get a look at him when we get in the water. Yeah, it's so good. There's another diver in the water actually, so I might have to not show him my secret cray holes, but I'm jumping in the water now.
Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
Hopped out of the water there. We've just pulled into this little bay now, the boat ramp. What we're going to do, we're going to put the boat on the trailer, then we're going to fillet all the fish here. I think there's some filleting tables up there which I'll use. Then head back to Sydney. I'll show you all the catch once we're up there, but yeah, I'm just going to go grab the car, put the boat on the trailer now. Alright, so just back on the trailer now. This is today's haul. Got one big cray, he's a big dog, pigfish, another little cray, 2 gummy sharks, there's a few flatties floating around in there. That's for later. Yeah, a few flatties floating around. That's a smaller one. There's a bigger one just here, as you can see. But yeah, all in all, good day. We've got 2 firsts for my species, the pigfish and the gummy shark. 2 of my firsts. I've never caught one before, so I'm happy about that. There's a little filleting station over there. They jump out and go attack these fillets. Yeah, I'm gonna probably cook up something tomorrow. I don't know whether I'll do the gummy shark or the pigfish, but I'll do something. So I'll see you guys down at wherever I'm cooking up tomorrow. Down at the spot now. I was about to start cooking up. It's the second time I'm down here today now. First time I forgot the flour. So I went home, got it, and it's about a 20-minute drive home. I just got back down here, realised I don't have the pan. So I'm going back home again now to get the pan, and I'll be back down here in about 40 minutes. See you then. Alright guys, so back down here now, after we've forgotten the pan and everything. So I've got everything set up, just got some gummy shark here, got some chips. Gonna make some fish and chips, just basic really, beer batter. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut all this up into some pieces, get all the bones out, and then I'll show you how to make the batter. You just add some flour, and what you do, you mix the beer in with it, and you keep mixing it until you get the consistency that you want. Haven't done this in years, so if I'm doing it wrong, sorry. Yeah, you want to tip it in, and you just want to mix it around. I'm getting close up. The trick is to make it like a batter. You don't want it to be too gluggy or too, not gluggy, too watery. Mix it up nicely. So that's how the consistency that you want. It's a batter like that. Now I've got the oil heating up, so I'll just drop all the fish in. Do that one to the birds. Drop that in. You want to just coat it nicely. Yeah, that's a perfect amount I reckon for all of this. Just got to wait for the oil to heat up. So I'll just batter it all, and then I'll show you when I'm putting it in. Okay, so the oil's hot enough now. So drop the fish in. Start to cook. I'll get it all in there, but I've just done a couple pieces at a time. So I drip the excess batter off. Drop it straight in. Looks pretty good already. Let's do the rest of the fish then, and I'll show you what's going on. Alright, so I've just sent Sam to wash the bowl out. So we'll use that to put our chips in or something when we're done. But yeah, look at that go. Oh, it looks so nice. I haven't cooked beer batter. I don't think I've ever done beer batter myself. I've had it before, my mates have cooked it, or my dad or something like that, but it looks pretty good. Like, oh. We're on. This looks so good. A few of the pieces are ready to flip now. Just want to get it. Oh, look at that. Get this one. Looks pretty damn good to me. Oh, come on, flip. These pieces might not be ready. They went in last. Now a bit longer on these ones. But how good do they look? Oh, looks so good. I'm just pulling out all the fish now, all the gummy shark. And it looks pretty good to me. Oh. These last two bits are almost done, they're not quite there yet. So I'll just put them off to the side so they cook over there, and I'll chuck all the chips in. The chips in. Not too many. Oh Jesus, just spitting. Finished off our fish and chips, and they look pretty good. I'll give you a look. How good does that look? Looks amazing. So what we're gonna do, we'll rip into this. So I'll have a little taste test quickly. I'll give Sam the camera. What we got here? Try some fish. Got seagulls everywhere. How good does that look on the inside? On the outside, nice golden brown, white on the inside. Give that a try. Hot. That's really nice. This is my first time actually trying the gummy shark. So it's really good. Really moist. I cooked it perfectly, I think. But yeah, the butter's really nice, the inside of it's nice. Try a chip. Alright, that was hot. So, what I'm gonna do, I'll finish the video off here. We'll have all our food. And yeah, if you enjoy this type of video, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, so make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, like it if you like the video. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Hopefully you're gonna go do some cray bashing or something like that. But yeah, see you all soon. Ew.